These visuals were not generated by VEO3 or Kling AI but by an amazing, completely free tool called DreamVid AI. With just a simple registration, you can generate unlimited images and videos for free. Forget about paid platforms like VEO3 or Kling AI, DreamVid AI offers countless exciting features for free, waiting for you to explore. First, free download DreamVid from description below or search DreamVid on App Store and install it. One standout feature is AI-generated interactions like AI kissing, hugging, and more. But the core functionality I want to highlight today is text-to-image generation. DreamVid AI creates high-quality, watermark-free images that can be used freely. I'll demonstrate its image generation capabilities to prove its unlimited and free nature. This is the interface for DreamVid's text-to-image feature. To test it, I'll use some basic prompts generated by ChatGPT. Based on reference examples, I'll craft new prompts to achieve a consistent style for the images I want. After generating several prompts, I'll input them into DreamVid AI and validate its capabilities. Just like other platforms, generating images with prompts on DreamVid AI is easy and intuitive. Follow along as I demonstrate. The first round of image generation was impressive, the quality is stunning, and the images are crystal clear. Next, I'll expand the testing scope to see if it truly allows unlimited daily generation. I'll input more prompts and continue generating images to stress test DreamVid AI's performance. As you can see, the results are fantastic. DreamVid AI consistently delivers high-quality images without any restrictions. Now, let's try DreamVid AI's text-to-video feature. I'll test the image-to-video function by using generated images to create videos. Follow along as I demonstrate this process step by step. Look, the video generation feature is equally impressive, smooth, high quality, and completely free. This makes DreamVid AI ideal for creators with demanding content needs. DreamVid AI is a game changer. It lets you generate unlimited, high-quality images and videos for free, without restrictions. Click the link below to try DreamVid AI for yourself and unlock its powerful features. Okay. That's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.